Good morning, students. In the previous class, we completed the chapter number 3, that is fraction. Today we are starting with the chapter number 5. Chapter 5. What about chapter 4 means? Later we will do that one, chapter 4. Today we are starting with chapter 5, that is called exponents. What is called exponents means powers. What are called powers here? We are having the powers here, that is, in the previous class we learned it once. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Writing on the same number with multiplication order, we can write in the form of powers. That is 2 to the power of, how many times it is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power of 5, we are writing that in the previous class. Yes, sir. That means in the previous class, 6th class, we did that one. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 to the power of 5. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to, this is the order here. When our power is applicable, that is called 2 into 2 into, under multiplication only we can write in the form of powers, not in the addition. So this addition is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is answer is 10. 2 to the power of 10. That means only for multiplication we are taking as, the power of. So in this one, 2 to the power of 5, 2 is called base, 5 is called power or exponent. 2 to the power of 5. For example, 4 power 3, that means we have to repeat that 4 3 times. 4 into 4 into 4. Also, in the previous class we learned that one formulas, that is here also we are having the formulas. What are the 3 formulas we are having that one? Product law, quotient law and this laws. First one is product law. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Next one is quotient law. Quotient means division form, that is a power m by a power n is equal to a to the power of m minus n over r 1 by a to the power of n minus n. 1 by a to the power of n minus n. Another one is power law. What is called power law means a to the power of m full to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. And the last one is a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. A power 1 is equal to a. These are the 5 topics we are having different formulas. According depend upon these formulas, we have to see the ones. First one is product law. Bases are same. Under multiplication, powers we have to add. Like this we have to do. What is called power law? Bases are same. Under multiplication, powers we have to add. Bases are same. Under division, bases are same. Under division, powers we have to subtract. A to the power of power law, that means brackets. Both the numerator a to the power of m and a to the power of n, powers we have to multiply. That is called powers law. Anything power 0 is 1. A power 1 is a. Anything power 1 is a. Using these formulas, we are doing the sums. See that ones, that formulas. Bases are same under multiplication, powers we have to add. Bases are same under division, powers we have to subtract. Powers we have to multiply that ones. A power 0 is equal to 1, a to the power of 1 is equal to a. These are the formulas we are having. See that formulas once, everybody. And you have to note down these 5 formulas in your CW also. Okay, here is our first sum. Evaluate exercise 5a. Evaluate 7 to the power of 4. So solution. What is 7 to the power of 4 means? We have to repeat the 7 4 times. 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So multiply. 7 we have to repeat for 4 times because of the power is 4. So we have to multiply for 4 times. 7 7s are 49. 49 into 7. 9 7s are 63. 7 4s are 28. 29 30. 3 43 into 7. Why? Because 7 7s are 49. 49 into 7 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 29 30. 0 3. 7 3s are 21. 22 23 24. So answer for this sum is 2401. This multiplication we have to do that once and we have to write here. That is equal to 2401. Therefore 7 to the power of 4 is equal to 2401. 1. Take the next sum. That is minus 5 whole to the power of 3. Solution for this sum. So this minus 5 we have to repeat 3 times. Minus 5 into minus 5. This minus is also inside, so we have to repeat that one 3 times and minus also. First sign. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus is minus. 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. Therefore, minus 5 whole to the power of 3 is equal to minus 125. Next sum is 3 to the power of 4. 3 by 4 we have to repeat 5 times. 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. This 3 by 4 we have to write 5 times. 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4. What fraction is given for that one? We have to repeat. If sign is given, that sign also we have to multiply that 5 times. Why 5 times? Because the power is given 5. So numerator multiplication. 3 is 9, 9 is 27, 27 is 81, 81 is 243. So 3 are 9, and 3 are 27, 27 is 7 3 are 21. Yes, so 81, 81 into 3, 243. So it is 243 time. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 4s are 256. 256 into 4, that is 6 4s are 24, 5 4s are 20, 22, 4 2s are 8, 10. 1024. 1024. So multiplication is 1024, therefore 3 by 4 whole to the power of 5 is equal to 243 by 1024. 1024. Once again see this sum here. 7 to the power of 4, 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 is multiplied 4 times means 2401. Minus 5 you have to repeat 3 times because of the power is given 3. So 3 times you have to multiply. Minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. Answer is minus 125. Put that minus also. This 3 to the power of 4 is given for us. 3 by 4 whole to the power of 5. This fraction we have to repeat for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numerator multiplication, denominator multiplication. 3 3 is 9, 9 is 27, 27 3 is 81, 81 3 is 249. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 24, 24 64 4s are 256, 256 4s are 1024. This is the multiplication here. This is the sum. See once everybody here. Copy down this sum in your CW. Okay, here is the next two sums. First one is expressing exponential notation. Exponential means power form. We have to write in the power form. Bases are same or not, we have to see. Minus 8 by 3, minus 8 by 3, minus 8 by 3, minus 8 by 3. All are same. So we can directly write that one expression in the form of minus 8 by 3 is repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write it as 4. Therefore, answer is minus 8 by 3 whole to the power of 4. This is called power form. Here, expressing exponential notation. Here the same number is repeated 1, 2, 3, 4 times, so directly we wrote that 4. But the given number is 343 by 512, it is not given that one in the form of numbers. So same numbers are not there, but it is given in the form of numbers. We have to write in express form means we have to change it in the form of prime factor method. So first solution we have to take. Any number we have to write in the form of power means we have to take prime factor method. Prime factor method, that is called nothing but LCM model. So 343 taking in which table? Taking in which table? This 343 it is not possible in 3 table. Prime factor method is 2, 3, 5, 7. So 2 table is not possible. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. 3 table is not possible. 5 table is not possible. 9 table is 7 table. 7 table. 7 7s are. So 7 4s are 28. 6 is the balance. 63 is 9 times. So 7 table 7 times. 7 table 1 time. So 501. Taking in 2 table. 2 table. This is because of 2 table. 2 5 6. Taking again 2 table. 1 2 8. Taking into table 6 4. Taking into table 3 2. Taking into table 1 6. Taking into table 8 times. 2 table 4 times. 2 table 2 times. 2 table 1 time. 2 table 1 time. Now this 343 by 512. In this one we got 7. How many times that 7 is? 1 2 3. So write 3. 7 power 3 by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 2 is possible for 9 times. So 2 came for 9 times. So this is like this. You have to write 2 to the power of 9. 2 to the power of 9. Once again, see here how to write that once. Once again, this 343 by 512. 343 is 7 times. 7, 1, 2, 3. So 3 times. 256, 200, 512 is by 2 table. How many times means? 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 came 9 times, 7 came 3 times. Write down this sum here. Solution. Taking off first 32. Taking 2 table 16 times. Taking 2 table 8 times. Taking 2 table 4 times. Taking 2 table 2 times. Taking 2 table 1 time. 243. Taking off 3 table 81 times. 3 table 27 times. 3 table 3 times. So 3 table 3 times. 3 table 1 time. Now it is changed as 32 by 243 is equal to minus, and we have to keep like that only. Then minus, and we have to keep like that only. So 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 came for 5 times. So write it as 2 power 5 by this 243 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 per 5 times. 3 per 5 times. So this is the answer for this sum. Once again, see this sum here, everybody. Here, look at the board and see. This is possible to each same number now. That's why we write that one same number for 4 times it is repeated, write 4. We wrote it as 4 here. In this ones, 343 by 512. This 343 is changed as 7 table 7 power 3. 512 is changed as like this. 2 came 9 times, so 2 power 9. In this sum, 32. 32 means 2 power 5. 243 means 3 power 5. So writing that ones, minus sign is given like that only. 2 to the power of 5 by 3 came for 5 times. So 2 came for 5 times, 3 came for 5 times. So answer is 2 to the power of 5 by 3 to the power of 5. So copy this sum in your CW. See that once. So here, expressing exponential form, this 5 by 21, 5 by 21 is there, same or both are same, but okay, 5 power 3 is there, 5 power 28 is there. So we have to apply the product law formula. What is the product law formula? A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. When we have to apply this formula means bases are same, under multiplication powers we have to add. The bases are same, so powers we have to add. 5 by 21 whole to the power of 3 plus 8. 5 by 21 whole to the power of 8 plus 3 11. Therefore, answer is 5 by 21 whole to the power of 11. Two things are given for multiplication or division, same ones. Expressed in the form of powers means we have to apply the 3 rules. What are the 3 rules we are having means product law, quotient law and power law. Multiplication means you have to apply the product law. So division is there means quotient law we have to apply. So solution for this one. 13 to the power of by 43 whole to the power of 7 by 13 by 43 whole to the power of 2. This is the sum here. Again, the same one is here like this. Bases are same. So minus 7 by 15 whole to the power of 12 by minus 7 whole to the power of 15 whole to the power of 15. In these two, we have to observe that once. Division form. Both are division forms, but we have to observe one thing. Which is where is the highest one of numerator power? Numerator is having highest power or denominator is having highest power, we have to see. In this sum, the numerator is having highest power 7. In this question, the denominator is having highest power. So taking the powers, taking off powers, numerator is having highest power and denominator is having the highest power. So here, numerator is having highest power, denominator is having least power. In this question, numerator is having least power, denominator is having highest power. So quotient law means under division, powers we have to subtract. How to subtract that means we are having two formulas, that is a power n minus n or 1 by a to the power of n minus m. That is, if numerator is more, subtract in numerator. If denominator is more, subtract in denominator. That is the formula based here for us. So here denominator is more. So subtract in the numerator form. 43 whole to the power of 7 minus 2, that is 13 by 43 whole to the power of 5. Therefore, answer is 13 by 43 whole to the power of 5. Here is our next sum, this one. Which is the highest ones? Numerator is having the highest or denominator is having highest? Where is the highest one? We have to subtract there. If numerator is highest, subtract in the numerator power. If denominator is highest, subtract in the denominator power. In this question, the numerator is having 12, denominator is having 15. So, denominator is having highest power. So, formula we have to use is 1 by a to the power of n minus m. According to that formula, I am applying in the denominator we have to subtract. So, 1 by a means here 7 by 50 whole to the power of 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 because of the denominator is having highest, so 1 by denominator power we have to subtract. That is 1 by minus 7 whole to the power of 15 whole to the power of 15 minus 12 is 3. 15 minus 12 is 3. So write that as 1 by minus 7 by 15 whole to the power of 13. Answer is equal to whole to the power of 3. You have to keep like that answer, or if you want means you can change that answer to the form of, again with the numerator power we have to change by taking that one a to the power of m, a to the power of n formula. By taking that ones you can do. That is in the next class. That means in the 8th class we will learn about that sum. So this is about that sum. Here one see. Bases are same, under multiplication powers we have to add. So addition of powers is 11. Bases are same, under division powers we have to subtract. That subtraction is two types. Where is the highest power you have to check, whether in the numerator or in the denominator. If it is in numerator, subtract in the numerator. Like this, it is the denominator means we have to subtract in the denominator. Like this we have to do this sum. So answer for this sum is like this we are having. So copy in your CW these answers. So with this, today's class is completed. Repeat that each and every formula in that once. Read out that formulas, apply that formulas and do that once. Particularly when we have to apply the formula is, bases are same or not, we have to check. If bases are not same, we should not apply that formula. Then what we have to do? If bases are not same, we should not apply that formula. We have to expand that one and we have to multiply and we have to do that sum. If bases are not same. For that sum, one model I am saying here, see. Okay, see this sum. In this sum, bases are not same. So, under multiplication also we should not apply that once because bases are not same. In this sum, bases are 7. Minus 7 by 15, minus 7 by 15. Both the bases are same. So, we apply that one division formula. But here we cannot apply that one multiplication formula because of in this one, which the bases are not same. So, we cannot apply that formula. What we have to do that means expansion form. What is called expansion form means after the 6 by 5 we have to repeat 3 times. 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 into 6 by 5. Here we are not applying any formula because of bases are not same. Into 5 to the power of 2. That 5 by 2 we have to repeat 2 times this 5 by 2 fraction. The 6 by 5 fraction 3 times. 5 by 2 fraction 2 times. So cancellation 5, 5, 5, 5. 2 table 1 time 3 times. 2 table 1 time 3 times. So numerator is having 6 into 3 into 3. By denominator is having 5. So multiply. 6 3s are 18. So 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 54 by 5. Which one you have to change it in the mixed fraction form? That is called 10 4 by 5. Therefore, answer is equal to 10 4 by 5. So this is the sum here we are having. If bases are not same, we cannot do that one sum. So we have to expand that one like that. 6 by 5 we have to multiply 3 times. Why? Because the power is given 3. So 6 by 5 3 times. 5 by 2 2 times. Multiply afterwards cancellation. Answer is 54 by 5. That is 10 4 by 5. So thank you for today. Write that sums in your CW.